Listening test for beginners. Level 1, test 1. Which is the correct sentence? 1, 2, or 3? 1. 1. The apples are in the box. 2. The apples are on the box. 3. The apples are by the box.
Two. 1. The boy is at the zoo. 2. The boy is at the park. 3. The boy is at school.
3. 1. It's July 5th. 2. It's June 15th. 3. It's August 13th.
4. 1. The woman is washing the car. 2. The woman is driving the car. 3. The woman is painting the car.
5. 1. Harry is reading a book. 2. Harry is reading a magazine. 3. Harry is reading a newspaper.
6. 1. It's snowing in New York. 2. It's sunny in New York. 3. It's windy in New York.
7. 1. The man is standing on the bus. 2. The man is getting on the bus. 3. The man is sitting on the bus.
8. 1. Isabel wants a sandwich. 2. Isabel wants a coffee. 3. Isabel wants pasta.
9. 1. Tom is using a spoon. 2. Tom is using a fork. 3. Tom is using chopsticks.
10. 1. The book is 120 yen. 2. The book is 250 yen. 3. The book is 270 yen.